Hi everyone, my name is Mide Yusuf as always, and I'm here to confess that I am obsessed with bleaching, coloring, or doing some kind of thing to my hair. But most significantly, I think I am obsessed with bleaching my hair because I saw the result of my blonde bleach, which I should have carried. I feel like I should have carried for a few days before going purple. Anyway, today I'm dyeing my hair peach. I don't know how it's going to catch on this because I don't want to bleach my hair now. I think I'm going to bleach my hair after the peach runs out, and then I'm going to change it to gray. So let's see, right? So if you don't watch the video on how I changed my hair to purple, I think you should go and watch it on I'm going to tag it in this video so you can watch it and look at that hair transformation and compare it to this. But I really hope that the peach kind of, there's something different, or the peach changes or something just happens. I hope I get the result that I want, even though I know deep down that I should bleach my hair before doing this, but I cannot stand bleaching my hair again. So stay tuned and keep watching and see the result of my peach semi-permanent dye. Okay, so guys, this is what my hair looks like now. This is after. Wow, look how soft my hair is. This is after protein treatment and what's the name, and deep conditioning. This is what my hair looks like now. There's still deep conditioner on it. I've not really washed it or done anything yet. I've done protein treatment. My hair feels really soft, so after washing it, I'm sure some purple will still wash off here as well. And I don't know, I'm still thinking, should I put on, you know what, I'm gonna go blue. I'm going blue like I should. Okay, so hi guys, hi everyone, my name is Mide Yusuf, and after a stress-induced period, after months of being at a very low pace mentally, and after 2 mental breakdowns 2 days in a row. One was, boss crying as you go home, and then the other one was very public. I'm here to give you another air video. So now I sound this way because I just had a very public mental breakdown. Very public. When I say very public, that kind of cringe public mental breakdown a character has in a movie. That is what I just had. So anyway, after all that, I'm here to give you another air dye video because I'm switching up on the color of my hair. I was going to do peach, but then I thought, who likes peach anyway? So today I'm going to be coloring my hair blue. So what am I doing? I'm basically detangling my hair. Now I wish I could, bleach my eyebrows, but well, I can't. So it's a matter of, I don't even know. I think, you know what? This is the second video I'm actually shooting today because I did one and I felt like I was too open in that because I was talking about my mental health and everything. I might tend to release it later, but not now. But anyway, as I was saying, I've got 2 colors I'm going to be interested in patch testing. The first one is adult baby blue, and then the other one is adult navy blue, royal navy blue. Yeah. So I've already done a patch test for this in the past, but I'm going to do it again to just show you guys what the result was like. It's not really baby blue like that, but let's see. Can you see the shade of blue? It's more like turquoise-ish. Why am I doing it with my hand, for God's sake? Well, then I did a mistake. My hair was moisturized yesterday. Shampoo and towel dry, use protective cream. And let me just run a quick patch test on what my color would be like. And then I could do a mix of color and then straighten my hair afterwards. And then I take the Adore navy blue and then bring out some strands to patch test as well. Oh. Oh, did I mention one of my mental breakdown was also at work? Yeah, I did have a mental breakdown at work as well. So now we wait. I had a mental breakdown and I feel so good about it. Okay, so now let's do this thing. So I'm going to go wash it off now and then I can share the results with you guys. So guys, here's the result for my hair, and I'm so grateful for everybody who came on this journey with me. Thank you so much. I'm now known as the blue girl. I'm wearing a matching robe to, you know, fit the hair. And also after this, I'm going to go, you know, that kind of color I was in the beginning of the video, and then I'm going to bleach my hair one last time, and then I'm going to go gray. I'm going to go full on blonde, then gray, then peach, then I'll go ginger for like a very, very long time. I might go ginger before going blonde, but I don't know yet. So anyway, thank you guys for coming along. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you. today. I actually made one video yesterday to show you guys the end result, but this is the end result. I straightened it and blow dried it. And I watched this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the final result of my hair. I hope you can see it very well, and I'm loving it because it's blue. I'm loving it. So anyway, I decided to do a poll on my story because somebody dared me. She was like, oh, the blonde is way worse, that the blue fits me more, and I do not agree, but well, it seems like she's winning, and the deal was that whoever wins gets to pick the next color I dye my hair. So she's going to be picking the next color I dye my hair. So guys, stay tuned, and thank you all for watching. Subscribe, okay? Thank you guys, bye. Stay tuned, and thank you to all my Instagram followers that hyped me to, you know, get this look. Thank you guys so much, because now I'm feeling like I agree with you guys. The blue is better than the blonde. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. It's hot, isn't it?